Alrighty. Hello everyone. So let's talk about one of the problem solving questions in parallelogram. Here is a parallelogram and you need to find out the height of this parallelogram. What's the height of the parallelogram if the area is 44 centimeters square? So you know the area and you know this base length of 8 centimeters, this slant length 6 centimeters, and you need to be able to find the height. Now let's use the area formula for parallelogram, which is area is base times height. Okay, now over here we know the base, so I'm just going to substitute all the values over here. So your area is given to be 44 centimeters square. I'm just going to bring down the equal sign, substitute the value of base, substitute the value of height. So all I'm doing is keeping this equation or this relationship as is and just substituting the values. Base is 8 centimeters, so I'm just going to replace base by 8 times height. I have no idea what the height is. Height is the unknown, so I'm just going to keep it as h. You can also use x for this unknown height. Now think of this situation. 44 is 8 times an unknown number. So 8 times what is 44? 8 times which number is going to give you 44? Okay, so if you just look at 8 times 5 is 40. And this is a bit more than that, it's 4 more than that, right? So what you can do is 44 divided by 8 is going to give you the exact value of h, and it has to be more than 4. So that's going to be 5, that has to be more than 5. So 5.5. 44 divided by 8 should give you 5.5 because 8 times 5 is 40 and half of 8 is 4, so 44. And that's your height in centimeters because all the other measurements have been given into centimeters. Now you might have a question, we did not use this 6. Remember, 6 is not the height of a parallelogram. This is definitely the base length, but that's not the height because that's the length of this side, and this side is tilted, and whatever is tilted, which is not perpendicular or 90 degrees to the horizontal, is never your height. So this is not the height of this shape. A height would go vertical compared to the base. So that's base and that's 90 degree, and it must run vertical. So that's the height of this parallelogram. So that's the height and it runs like that. So this gap between the top line and the bottom line is your height of the parallelogram, and that's what was needed. This is how you do it. And that's it. Enjoy. Bye-bye.